I promised a full tutorial, so here it is. I knew I was going to build a custom base for this piece, so I began by removing the original and taking some measurements. I had these hardwood legs that I saved from a broken side table that I disassembled for parts. You might see me on an episode of Hoarders one day because I hold on to just about anything that I feel like I may be able to use one day. Most of it collects dust, but the feeling you get when you finally use that one thing you've been holding on to for years, there's just nothing like it. I then used my Craig jig to create the perfect pocket holes to assemble and attach my base. I had a few body dings that I repaired with Bondo wood filler. After sanding those areas down, I then scuff sanded the entire piece for better paint adhesion. Using Bin 123 primer that I tinted with a little bit of black paint, I applied 2 coats to the entire piece. I then used this beautiful textured wallpaper on the door fronts and sides to really give this flip that wow factor I was looking for. You can find this wallpaper in my Amazon store. Using my paint sprayer, I applied 2 coats of my favorite Dixie Belle paint color, the best black paint I have used to date, and I have used many. Minwax stain in the shade Early American was used on the drawer fronts and custom base. Using General Finishes Flat Out Flat, I then sealed the entire piece, also sanding between each coat. Finally, I attached my base and this piece was done. The perfect combination of vintage, moody, and classy. Remember what it looked like before? And now, look at this piece. Links to all of the products and tools used in this flip can be found by visiting amazon.com/shop/reconciliation collection. I am so excited to share that the blog is officially live. Join the tribe for exclusive do-it-yourself content by visiting reconciliationfurniture.com/reconciliation collection. Thank you so much for your support.